Good morning dear students, welcome you all in your YouTube live classes. You are with me, your sir Shubham Chaubey, and in today's lecture we are going to study English grammar and our topic will be notice writing. We will discuss the format of the notice writing and we'll see the pattern, how to write it in a page in a proper way so that we can get full marks of the notice writing. See, in your question paper it used to come of 5 marks, and if you want 4.5, if you want 5 out of 5, then we should write in correct format and with a good writing pattern. So let's see, I'm going to show you how to do this. See, notice writing. So before we start writing notice, we should know that what is notice. See, notice is an official way of giving important information of an action or work which has happened or going to take place to an individual or a group of people by an office or an organization. Means notice is written to give important informations by any authority or by any organization. It is written to an individual or a group of people, and notice should be always brief and to the point. Means you need not to write so much in a notice. You are supposed to write to the point with important information in that notice, and it should be written in a box, and it also have a word limit, that is 50 words. So what is notice? I hope it is clear to you that notice is a writing pattern by which it is a method by which we give important information to someone, and it is mostly written by an office or organization to an individual or a group of people, and it should be in a brief. It should not be written in a long way, and it also have word limit of 50 words. Now let's see the format of notice. See, format of notice writing. See, notice format contains 7 points. There are 7 points in the format of notice writing, as I have written here for you. See, first name is authority. First point is authority name. We will write authority name. Authority name means here from where the notice is being given. Suppose it is from a school, then your school name. It is from medical department, it is from, then it will be written from medical. Suppose it is coming from court, then it will be written, suppose coming from high court, it will be written high court, supreme court, whatever. So whatever authority means the organization where from the notice is given to an individual or a group of people. So see, I have written, how I have written it is Sunbeam Academy. Suppose Sunbeam Academy, this is authority, this is the organization, this is school. So I have written the name of Sunbeam Academy. Second point, we write the word notice. Notice, this word should be written in capital letter just below the authority name in the center of your notice from the top, second line. So here I have written it is in capital letter. See, one more thing, your authority name should be also in capital, and your notice, the word should also be written in complete capital letter. The third point is date. You write date, like see, I have written 3rd July 2020, accordingly you will write it. And after that, subject or topic. Subject or topic means, see, I have written here free health checkup program, means on which topic the notice is to be released. It can be free health checkup program, it can be anything, like suppose it is from school, it can be annual function, it can be annual sport day, it can be anything. So it will be mentioned here like this. Next point is point number 5, that message of the notice, means the message which you are going to deliver, you are going to pass, that will be written just after 4th point from the left hand side, just below, like this. See, these dot I have marked to highlight the message. You will write your message from here to here, and it should be written, okay, like this only. And 6th point will be name or signature. You write your name or signature first, and in question paper often it is given that you are so and so, and what is your post, it is also given. So your name will be here. I have written Aman /Versa, it can be anyone. And 7th point is designation, means your post, whatever post the person having who is writing the notice will be written just after the name. For example, head boy /head girl I have written. It can be anyone, head boy, head girl, captain, whatever. It will be given in your question paper only that you are so and so. Your name will be also given, from which authority it is being released, that also given, and your post also will be given in the question paper only. You need not to write from your side. All is given in the question paper only. Clear? So I hope the format is clear. See, I have written it is in a box. It is a box. Why? Because it is always written in a box. Notice should be in a box and like this format. See, there are 7 points. First, authority name, Sunbeam Academy. Second is notice. I have written in capital letter. Third is date, written here. Fourth is topic of the notice I have written. Then your message, body, your message of the notice will be here like this. And then your name, 6 point will be written like this, and your post will be like this. I hope this is clear. Now I am going to show it with an example. We'll have example. See, I have written one example. See, what is this? You are Rohit/Tanya and the sport captain of St. Xavier's School, New Delhi. Write a notice to inform the students about annual sport day and its preparation, which is going to held in the next month. Means you have to write a notice from your school side informing the student that annual sport day is going to start, and they have to prepare for that, and they for that. So see, firstly, authority name, St. Xavier's School, New Delhi, I have written in capital letter. Then I have written second point, notice. It is in the center, just below the authority, and in center and capital letter. Third, I have written date. It is from the left hand side, 3rd July 2002 to 2020. And fourth point, I have written annual sport day. See, annual sport day, this is your topic. So topic, first letter will be capital, rest letter will be small. So annual A capital, sport S capital, and day D capital, and rest will be small. So this is your topic, annual sport day. After that, your message which you are going to deliver. See what I have written. It is to inform all the students that our school annual sport day is going to start from 25th August 2020. Therefore, those who are willing to take part in different sport event, they must give their name to the game teacher, so that preparation for event can be started by the next Monday. So this is your message which is to be delivered through this notice to the students. You have written here, and after that you will write your name. See, it is given in the question only that Rohit or Tanya. You will mention here Rohit/Tanya only one. If you are boy, you will mention Rohit. If you are a girl, you will mention Tanya. And then sport captain, your designation, your post. So this is how we write notice in the exam. If you write like this, definitely you will get full marks. And one more thing, remember that you should not do mistake while writing. You should avoid cutting or doing any mistakes in writing section. In all writing section, we should not do mistakes. Mistake will, if you do mistakes, then your marks can be deducted. More mistakes, more deduction. No mistake, no deduction of the marks. So keep these points in your mind and keep this format in your mind, and definitely you can score full marks in your exam. So dear, so this is the format of notice writing. I hope it is clear to all. The writing format also clear, and how to write it is both clear, and now you will not do any mistake, I hope, in notice writing. So dear students, that's all in today class. See you in the next video. Till then, keep on studying, and best of luck.